Friends, Airbus inching closer to 500 jets order from IndiGo after historic Air India deal. Report: Airbus has emerged as a frontrunner for this order after Air India's historical provisional purchase of 470 Airbus jets in February this year. Aircraft experts told Reuters that the deal could be worth our $50 billion at the recent Airbus list prices, but would be worth less than half this price. IndiGo is one of Airbus' largest customers and has ordered total 830 Airbus A320 family jets so far, of which nearly 500 are still to be delivered. Airbus is competing with its US-based counterpart Boeing in separate talks to sell 25 A320neo or Boeing 787 wide-body jets to the same airline. IndiGo was in talks with Airbus and Boeing for the multi-billion jets order, which, if confirmed, will be the largest aircraft deal by a single airline. Currently, IndiGo has a 56% share of the Indian aviation market. Through this order, IndiGo is looking to double its capacity by the end of the decade and expand its network, especially in international markets. The IndiGo also has a code share partnership with 7 carriers including American Airlines, Turkish Airlines and KLM. The recent IndiGo order with Airbus comes at a time when India, world's third largest aviation market. IndiGo CEO Peter Albers, however, refused to comment on commercial matters at the sidelines of the International Air Transport Association annual meeting in Istanbul. Now, if we conclude summary and advantage of this deal if it happen. Number 1. This will be the biggest order for jets in Indian aviation if finalized. Number 2. Airbus IndiGo order comes months after it clinched a multi-billion deal with Air India to deliver 470 jets. Number 3. IndiGo has a 56% share in the domestic Indian aviation market. Thanks for watching.